Look at this symbol here. If this is 3, what's this side? 3 centimeters. If this is 6, okay. Now look here, please. Shh. Perimeter, you're trying to calculate the total distance around the object. You need to add up every single side. So we're adding up this side. Do we know the length of that side? Yes. Do you know the length of this side? This. This. This.
4, 6, 36.
Okay, but then we have to figure out what is the length of this. We're not adding the inside. We're only adding the outside. I need to know the length of the semicircle. In order to find circumference, which is the perimeter of a circle, we have to use the formula, okay? Imagine this looks like this. They've only drawn in half of the circle. Do we know let's use a different color, the diameter of this circle? From here to here, do you see that line anywhere else in the diagram? So how long is the diameter? 8 centimeters. Okay, so we have to find the circumference we'll find the entire circle, but then we only want to know half of it, right? Because it's cut in half. It's a semicircle. They tell you in the question that it's a semicircle. It says that in the question. From here, look here, please. From here to here what's the distance from here to here? From here to here, the half circle what's the distance? 12 point, what is it? 56 centimeters. So when we're finding the perimeter, we are adding 12.56 plus 3 plus 10 plus 3 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6. Do I add in this 8 in the middle? No. Why not? Is that outside the object or is that inside? I only want to know the distance around the outside of the object. Okay, so you guys calculate it right now and tell me what the perimeter of the shape is. 52.56 centimeters?
Yes.
Okay, that's the perimeter. That's the distance around the shape. That's it.
Yeah.
What? What the heck? You need to know either the diameter of the circle, so from one end to the other, or the radius from the middle to one end. Do we know either of those? Let's go back and look. How do we find circumference of a circle? Yes. Pi times diameter, which is 8. We can use 2 pi r or pi times diameter. It's the same thing because 2 radiuses, if you have 2 radius, that equals 1 diameter, right? What's the radius?
24.
4 plus 4 equals 8. So 2 times 4 is 8 times pi. Or pi times diameter. It's the same thing. So pi, we're going to use 3.14 times, what's the radius? Diameter?
25.12.
3.14 times 8 is 25.12 centimeters. So this equals circumference of the whole circle. So the distance around the circle, the whole thing, is 25.12. But in the diagram, they only included half. How do you find half of something? Divided by 2. So 25.12 divided by 2. 12.56. Okay, so let's go back to our diagram. You guys should be labeling this on your paper.